Hey guys, and we're making sugar cookies. It's pretty late, 12:50 at night, but we're in the mood. So the things you'll need is flour, the eggs, 2 eggs, some salt, baking soda, some sugar, some vanilla extract, some butter,
a lot of butter,
in a medium bowl and a large bowl. Let's get baking.
and the beater.
Yep.
Oh, now let's get bacon.
Now we're gonna put the flour, baking soda, and salt in a medium bowl. We got the flour. Dump it in. The baking soda and the salt. These will be your dry ingredients. Now we set that aside.
Oh, it said to stir it.
Now we stir it. Like
I told him not to do this.
See, you use a whisk just to stir that all together. It's not really a whisk, but that's alright. It's kind of. There we go. That's good.
That should be your first finished project.
Product.
Oh.
And also make sure your oven is preheated to 350 over there, just to make sure. So we put all the butter in here. There we go. Now we're gonna put the sugar into there.
And this is convection sugar.
Yeah.
It's a special recipe.
And we're gonna mix it together, cream it like this. You can squish it a little. Just stir it all.
Yeah, 12:54 at night. We are making this. So that's what we're
So
trying to.
once you get it to a right consistency.
This is all his idea. So.
No, it isn't. So we're gonna, cause see
Oh wow!
how
Look
it's
at that
turning.
consistency.
Yeah, consistency, and it's starting to turn into sugar cookies.
Sugar
eventually.
cookies.
But once all that's in, all that dry mix, it will turn really fluffy.
This is what we're looking at. Shout out to allrecipes.com. You guys are amazing.
So that's good.
Don't do this. This is some bad crap, and I told him not to, but look at this kid. He's bringing eggs. See, look at him. Crack. So now we have to add the eggs, I think.
Yeah, we put in the eggs one at a time. Then we beat it.
Oh, I just put in the second.
Did we just cream it? Okay.
Okay.
Now we're the dry mix.
Listen to Brian.
I'm gonna stir it all.
We're not going to use the beater. We're just going to keep stirring for such a long time.
See how it's getting thick now?
Yep.
He's my assistant, and he's gonna use a spoon and put all the dough on.
classy?
Nah.
We're just going to probably even just make a huge blob.
Just space it around about 2 inches. You can make them big, small, doesn't
We're
matter.
making them big because we made a lot.
Yeah, a lot of back.
See, sometimes it gets stuck to the spoon, but you can always just manage that. And this should be our last one. This is how much batter we have left.
And it's always
Now we're going to put them in the oven.
in the oven about 8 to maybe 14 minutes. Right on top here.
And now we're just going to shut it.
And now we wait.
And now we wait and we clean up. Pieces of bread.
Put them right on top of that cooling rack. Now we can put some sprinkles. Sprinkle fun. It's all to do for the kids. Yeah, here we go.
We're starting to put them on the plate. And the sprinkles did not stick on too well.
Let's see if it's
Oh,
brown.
they came right
Wow, look at that. Not
crispy
that bad.
brown. And look, it came right off.
Yeah, because there wasn't nothing to stick it to, but these are pretty easy to get on.
And you see the one right here, we already took some bites.
It's alright.
Yeah,
Pretty good.
I think that the allrecipes.com, I think that they should actually put,
There we go. Your sugar cookies are done. Thanks for watching.